how can I plan for long-term care, a roadmap, critical action steps that you should take right now. The first thing is, do you have an updated estate plan? Do you have that revocable living trust, the power of attorney, the advance directive? Long-term care, by definition, means you're going to need help. That means you might not have capacity. That means having a sophisticated set of documents. And by that, I just mean set up by a team that really understands long-term care, asset protection, tax issues. So to address those issues, you have to have that in place ahead of time. Has it been a long time since you looked at it? You need to take a fresh look. If you have the wrong people named, it might be worse than no documents at all. If it's someone you don't like anymore that you named to take over your financial life. And documents done by non-specialists or online are often missing critical provisions that can mean the difference of hundreds of thousands of dollars for your family. Do you have an existing life insurance policy you haven't looked at for a while? You may be able to trade it in. Are you interested in pursuing a new life insurance hybrid life insurance, long-term care, or just a long-term care insurance policy? Does your financial plan address these issues? Has it been integrated with your financial plan? Are you worried about this? Have you thought about Prop 19 issues for your home? Take a look at your documents. Take a look at your estate plan. Or do you have one? If you don't have one, you need it right away, or it could be an absolute disaster. But if you have one, let's take a fresh look at it. And if it's been a while, if you have a plan in place, we can take a very efficient look at it and help you see, okay, what are you missing? What updates do you need to make? Let's think holistically about this. Again, we do not just do trusts or powers of attorney. We're experts at that. That's core of one of the areas we deliver services in. But we also think about these issues too. We are coaches for our clients. We are thought partners. We think through issues around real estate issues, about property tax issues, about capital gains tax issues, estate tax issues. I know it's a lot. You're outsourcing it to us. We can be part of that team, but just make sure you get that expert help. So reach us if you want to get going, or if you're an existing client, let's set that follow-up appointment to go through your current situation. Easily contact us at gilfix.com. You can contact us at 650-493-8070, 650-493-8070. And as my mom likes to say, I hope everybody stays safe, sane, and healthy. Let's all stay on top of this. We got your back. Have a great rest of your day.